Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by shaking the net cloth outside to dislodge loose glitter. This prevents embedding. Next, press wide clear tape or a sticky lint roller flat against the mesh, peel straight off, repeat across the area. You do this because adhesive lifts particles without stretching the net. Once done, tap the collected glitter into a trash bag laid on a sheet so it doesn't reattach. Make sure to move methodically from edges to center to avoid pushing glitter deeper. You now focus on stubborn glitter stuck in the weave. Lay the net flat and gently brush with a soft nylon toothbrush along the direction of threads to tease particles free. Mix 1 teaspoon mild dish soap into 1 cup cool water and dab, don't soak, working small sections. The soap reduces surface tension and loosens glitter. Rinse each treated area with cool water and blot with a towel. Once the fabric is mostly clear, repeat tape or lint roller steps to capture loosened specks. You finish by laying the net cloth flat to air dry, reshaping seams and stretches while damp to avoid distortion. If glitter persists, repeat the tape, brush, and spot soap cycle. Persistence usually removes the last bits. For persistent flakes anchored deep in the mesh, use a pourable vacuum on low with a soft brush attachment over a sheet to catch fallout. If threads snag, stop and use small scissors to clip only the snag, then reapply tape. This prevents further damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.